So now it's unit number 5, which is code with AI. See, there are limited number of questions that can be formed using unit number 5 and unit number 6. There is nothing much in both the units. And I tried to cover all those important questions in the videos. So go through all the questions carefully. It's enough for unit number 5 and unit number 6. Question 1 is, what is the primary advantage of using AI in web app development? So primary advantage is of using AI in web app development is integration of advanced features like image recognition and natural language processing. Option B is correct. Next one, which tool is commonly used for data analysis and visualization, especially for large data set? So for large data set, we use Excel. Option B is correct. Next one, how can Excel be used for data mastery? Data mastery. Option is creating dynamic web pages, writing complex algorithm, analyzing and manipulating data efficiently, or developing machine learning models. Option C is correct. Analyzing and manipulating data efficiently. Next one, what is the purpose of AI-driven chatbot? The purpose of AI-driven chatbot is to simulate human-like conversation using AI techniques. Option C is correct. Next one, how can GPT 3.5 be used to build a movie app? Now the option is given, and this is the application based questions, and you need to just analyze the best correct option. And for this set of options, option A will be correct. GPT 3.5 can be used by providing movie recommendation based on user preferences. Option A is correct. Next question is, what is Dall-E primarily designed to do? So Dall-E is primarily designed to generate images from textual description. Option B is correct. Next question is, how can ChatGPT 4 be used to build a chatbot? So ChatGPT 4 can be used by simulating human-like conversation. Option B is correct. What is the process of fine-tuning a chatbot with your own data? Option is customizing pre-trained models with specified data sets, conducting A or B testing on web apps, enhancing user interface design, or optimizing SEO for web content. The process of fine-tuning a chatbot is by customizing pre-trained models with a specified dataset. Option A is correct. Next question is, which programming language is commonly used to integrate AI models into web application? JavaScript is primarily used for that. Option A will be correct here. Moving to the next one, how does AI contribute to enhancing user experiences in web app? Option B is correct, by personalizing content based on user preferences. Next question is, which AI technique is commonly used for natural language understanding in chatbot? Very fundamental question. For that, transformer is used. Option C is correct. Next question is, how can AI driven chatbot be integrated into customer support system? Also, this is application based question, and mostly application based question will be asked from the unit number 5 and 6 also. You need to analyze all the options, and from the given set of options, option B will be correct, by providing instant response to common queries. Next question, which AI model is known for its capability to generate human-like text? So we use GPT 3.5 for that. Option A is correct. Next question is, how can Excel be utilized for data visualization in web apps? Option B is correct, by exporting charts and graphs from Excel to web compatible formats. Option B is correct. Next one, what role does AI play in enhancing data analysis tasks performed in Excel? Option C is correct, by providing insights and recommendation based on data patterns. Next question is, what is a key benefit of using AI-driven chatbot in e-commerce? Again, the application-based question. Correct option is option B, improved customer service and support. Next one, how can AI model like Dall-E be applied in creative project? So we can use Dall-E for creative projects by creating customers' artworks based on textual description. Option B is correct. Next question is, which AI technique is used in ChatGPT 4 to understand and respond to user queries? Is it CNNs, RNNs, or transformer-based language modeling? And last option is decision trees. Correct option is option number C, transformer-based language modeling. Next question, how can AI models like GPT 3.5 be leveraged for content generation in educational apps? So when you will analyze all the options, you will get the correct option is option number B, by generating quiz questions based on learning objective. Next question, which step is crucial in fine-tuning a chatbot with customer data? Correct option is option number B, providing diverse and relevant training examples. Next question, what is the role of AI in optimizing user engagement on web apps? Correct option is option number B, tailoring content based on user preferences and behavior. Next question, which AI model specializes in generating high quality images from textual prompts? Same questions, option C will be correct. Dall-E we used for generating high quality images from textual prompts. Option C is correct here. Moving to the next one, how does AI contribute to personalized recommendation in movie apps? So by analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI contribute to personalized recommendation in movie app. Option B will be correct. Next question, what is the primary advantage of using Excel for data manipulation in AI project? Real-time data visualization, easy integration with AI APIs, familiar interface, and powerful data analysis capabilities. And last option is compatibility with cloud-based service only. Option C will be correct. The primary advantage of using Excel for data manipulation in AI project is familiar interface and powerful data analysis capabilities. This is the primary advantage of using Excel for data manipulation. Next question, how can AI-driven chatbot be used to automate customer inquiries in service industries? Correct option is option number B, by providing personalized response based on the customer data. Next one, which AI technique is essential for building interactive and responsive web apps? So for that we use NLP techniques, natural language processing. Next question, how can AI-driven chatbots be integrated into social media platforms? Is it by generating a spam content, by providing real-time weather updates, by responding to user comments and messages, or by optimizing image compression? So when we talk about the social media platforms, AI-driven chatbot can help by responding to user comments and messages. Option C is correct. Next one, what is the significance of building AI models that are interpretable and explainable? Correct option is option number D. It forecasts trust and transparency in AI. It fosters trust and transparency in AI application. Option D is correct. Next one, how does AI contribute to improving search functionality in web apps? Option is by reducing search accuracy, by recommending irrelevant content, by optimizing search queries and result, and or by increasing network latency. So when we talk about the improvement of search functionality in web apps, it will be by optimizing search queries and result. Option C is correct. Guys, make sure to share this video in your class group. Everyone should share this video in your respective class group. Next question is, which AI model is designed to handle sequential data effectively? So to handle sequential data, long short-term memory AI model is used, LSTM. Option C is correct. Next one, how can AI be used to automate content generation for blog and articles? Correct option is option number C, by leveraging AI models to generate draft content. Option C is correct. Next one, what is the primary advantage of using pre-trained AI models like GPT 3.5? The primary advantage of using GPT 3.5 is the ability to fine-tune for a specific task with minimal effort. Option C is correct. Next question, how can AI-driven chatbots be used to streamline business process? Option B will be correct, by automating routine inquiries and transaction. Moving to the next one, what is the role of AI in software development and deployment? Again, application based question. Correct option will be option number B. We can use AI for in software development and deployment by automating testing and deployment process. We can do it by using AI. Next question, how can AI be used to enhance cyber security in web apps? So we can use AI for analyzing user behavior for malicious intent. Option B is correct. Correct option is next question is, which AI technique is used for image recognition and classification task? Option is NLP, object detection, sentiment analysis, or reinforcement learning. Correct option is option number B, object detection technique is used for image recognition and classification task. Next one, how can AI models like GPT 3.5 be applied in education technology, or we can say edtech? Correct option is option number A, by grading exams automatically. Next one, what is the benefit of using AI driven chatbots in healthcare application? So we can use AI driven chatbots, and the benefit is providing 27 into 7 access to medical advice. Option D will be correct here. Next question, how can AI model like Dall-E be used in advertising and marketing? So very simple one, option B will be correct, by generating customer advertisements based on textual description. Next question is, and this is the last question of this video, what is the primary challenges of building AI powered web apps? The primary challenges is balancing ethical consideration and technical capabilities. Option D is correct. So this was all about the unit number 5. In the next video you will see the questions of unit number 6, and in the last video you will see the questions of unit number 1, 2 and 3. So thank you so much for watching the videos. Bye bye.